Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisaandthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you brand new to Facebook ads and wondering how they work? Well, pay close attention because in this video I'm going to give you a little basic introduction to how Facebook ads work so that you are familiar on how to create your first ad and navigating through that whole process. So what you need to do is understand when you start with a Facebook ad, you always start with a campaign. So this is where you're going to choose your marketing objective, okay? So you want to be clear, what is your overall objective of the ad, okay? Do you want to get more engagement? Do you want to get more likes? Or do you want to get more sales? So those are usually the three broad categories. So when you're looking at engagement as well, that can also be for leads too. Now, once you have your campaign set, then you're going to do what's called an ad set. So this is where you're going to figure out who's your target audience and where are you going to place those ads. Are you going to put them on Facebook, Instagram, okay? Did you know that Facebook owns Instagram and you can create Instagram ads within Facebook? Facebook Messenger, Facebook Stories. You can also be setting ads there, knowing how much you're going to spend, and the schedule. Now, the great thing about Facebook ads is that it is one of the most affordable to do any type of advertising, and it's the easiest where you can literally find your target market. Okay, so we know what is our objective, who are we, what is the overall ad going to do? Are we going to get more leads, more engagement, or more sales? Then we're going to figure out the targeting, who is our audience, where is this ad going to be placed, how much we're going to spend, and how long we're going to run the ad. And then it is the ad, where we're going to create the image, the video, or the text, the call to action, and links. So what I really love about how Facebook developed this is that you're beginning with the end in mind. And it's just like a funnel, just as you see here on the screen, where we break it down from broad to specific. So when we go to the next screen here, when you start setting up your ad, okay, there's going to be three broad categories here, okay, and you need to be aware of what these categories are. We have what are called the Facebook objectives. What are you looking to accomplish with this ad, all right? So under the Facebook objectives, you're going to see these three main areas. Awareness, which is brand awareness and reach. Now, if you are in the network marketing space, you're not going to be paying too much attention to awareness. Then there's consideration. And here we have different choices like traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, and messages. Where most people want to get started with, and this is what the top Facebook marketers who specialize in the network marketing space, they focus on engagement with building an audience. That is the easiest way and easiest ad to get started. And then the third element is conversions. Okay, so this is where you have conversions, catalog, sales, store visits. Network marketers, you don't need to pay attention to that conversion. Now, if you're somebody who's maybe in internet marketing and you have like a Shopify store, then that's the area that you are going to work on. But if you're in the network marketing business, you're really going to be focusing onto the consideration tab here and really focusing on engagement. So there you have it. That's the whole way of how Facebook ads work. So if you got value today, leave a comment and share. Make sure you're following me on Facebook by going to facebook.com/Dr. Lisa Thompson. If you're watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Now, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're on my Facebook fan page by just looking for the tab. Click on that tab, and then you can click on the subscribe button there. Now, if you really want to master Facebook ads and do it the right way, especially if you're in network marketing. You know, Facebook does not like network marketers, but network marketers have used Facebook ads successfully to get leads for their business. I have a masterclass training for you to check out where you will learn step by step how to create an ad that will help you stay in Facebook's good graces without getting your ad account shut down, and you can get more people reaching out to you right away. So you can get access to this training. You can check it out by going to the link you see on your screen, and I also have it in the first pinned comments in the comment section of this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.